Let's talk about nursing. It's one of those professions we all think we know, right? It's a cornerstone of our healthcare system, but it's also one of the most misunderstood. So, in this explainer, we're going to tear down some of those common myths and get to the truth of what nursing is all about.
Get this. For over 2 decades, that's more than 20 years straight, annual Gallup polls have found that Americans consider nurses to be the single most honest and ethical profession out there. That's an incredible amount of public trust, but it also raises a really interesting question. So if we trust them more than anyone, why is there such a massive gap between that trust and what we actually understand about their job? It's a huge disconnect, right? So let's dig in and figure out why that is. To get started, we've really got to tackle the personal myths first. Those old, dusty ideas we have in our heads about the kind of person who becomes a nurse. Think about it for a second. When you picture a nurse, what image comes to mind? For so many of us, it's a mix of old media tropes, the selfless angel, the strict battle axe, or something even worse. But those stereotypes, they have almost nothing to do with the complex scientific reality of being a nurse today. And that leads us straight into one of the oldest and, honestly, most stubborn myths of them all, the myth of gender. The idea that nursing is women's work is just so deeply ingrained in our culture. But the reality, well, skill, compassion, and critical thinking don't have a gender. And while women do still make up the majority, the field is absolutely diversifying. Now, 10% might not sound like a massive number, but it represents hundreds of thousands of men who are challenging those outdated norms every single day. It also kind of shows you just how entrenched the stereotype still is. And for that 10%, the job often comes with its own unique set of challenges, all rooted in these stereotypes. They're frequently pushed into roles that are seen as more masculine, like the ER or critical care. And they can face bias from patients and even coworkers who might question their compassion or their place in the profession. Okay, so that brings us to our next big myth. This one is less about the person and more about their power and their professional role in the healthcare system.
The doctor's handmaiden myth. This one might be one of the most damaging. It paints nurses as these passive helpers who just follow orders, instead of what they actually are, highly trained, autonomous clinicians who are making critical, independent decisions at the bedside, literally every minute of every day.
So what do we mean when we say autonomy? It's the authority, which is backed up by education and by law, for a nurse to use their professional knowledge and judgment to make a call. It's not about working alone, it's about being a respected, crucial, and decisive partner on the healthcare team. And this quote from a nurse just captures that struggle perfectly. They're telling us, look, we have the training, we have the skills, but we're constantly having to fight against these old school hierarchies just to get the respect to use them. And hey, if you need any proof of the intellectual rigor here, just look at the nursing board exam, the NCLEX. The myth is that it's all about memorizing facts. The reality? No way. The modern exam is this incredibly sophisticated, adaptive test that is laser-focused on clinical judgment. That is, the ability to make tough, high-stakes decisions under pressure. So you have to wonder, where do all these harmful myths even come from? Well, a huge piece of the puzzle is the media and its persistent blind spot when it comes to covering the nursing profession. I mean, look at this timeline. Over the last 100 years, the media has basically just recycled a handful of damaging tropes, from the saintly angel of mercy to the hypersexualized naughty nurse to the terrifying battle axe like Nurse Ratched. And what about today? Well, the biggest problem now is that they're often just invisible. And that invisibility, it's not just a feeling. It is backed up by some pretty shocking data. A major study found that nurses, who are the largest group of healthcare professionals by far, were quoted as sources in a measly 2% of health news articles. Their expert voice is almost completely missing from the public conversation. And don't think this is just an old problem from the past. A very recent study found that generative AI is actually perpetuating these exact same stereotypes. Over 66% of AI-generated images of nurses still included those old-fashioned white hats. We are literally coding our old biases into our newest technologies.
Okay, we've busted a lot of myths. So now let's pivot and talk about the actual reality of the nursing profession today, because it's expansive, it's dynamic, and it's seriously impressive.
First, let's just talk about scale. There are roughly 5.2 million registered nurses in the United States. That makes nursing the single largest healthcare profession in the country, and it's not even close. They are the absolute backbone of our entire healthcare system. And now, let's bust that money myth. Forget the idea that nursing is just a calling that doesn't pay well. In 2024, the median annual salary for an RN was over $93,000. This is a skilled, demanding, and very financially rewarding career. The modern nursing career also goes so far beyond what you might imagine. We're talking about nurses leading health tech startups, designing massive data systems, shaping healthcare policy in Washington, and running wellness programs for major corporations. The career paths are just incredibly diverse.
So when you put all of this together, those old stereotypes just completely fall apart. Today's nurse is a scientist who uses evidence-based practice. They're a tech innovator working with cutting-edge tools. They're a leader managing complex systems. And above all, they are a fierce, fierce advocate for their patients. Look, the story of nursing is changing. It's moving away from myth and toward a much more powerful and accurate reality. So the final question is, how will you help write that next chapter? How can we all do our part to challenge stereotypes and recognize the incredible expertise that is all around us every single day?